YouTube. I just asked for permission.
No, because my mom's gonna kill you. Should I take the scooter? Do you know if I have to have my Buck ID?
As far as I know, I don't think so.
Okay, because I've never.
This is the first time. This is actually my first time.
Me too. You don't have to?
No.
Oh, okay, good.
According to the website, they say anybody can go on. So
Okay. Okay, good.
Is that one? Is that fake? Fake to fake.
North campus bound.
Thank you.
I'm actually weak. Are you in a bus? I know you're
giving me
scared.
Sweden vibes.
Okay, first of all, what if it takes you somewhere you're not supposed to be?
I don't know.
Hold on, can I practice? Zelina, let me practice. I'm going to introduce you guys to Sophia. She's an 18-year-old freshman here at university who resides in Dunlop King. She's a communications major with a minor in public relations.
Can I want to record this.
Oh,
Can you screen record?
no. You're so thirsty. You're going to do this every day. Like, this is your first out of many. Anyways, ميت هي زلخو بحاروك. إذا قالك أو واي فاي حما زلوة قد كندي كنو يو بلا. Oh wait, نقروا what's What?
I'm
Selena,
back.
how long is it gonna take you to get there? Your Wi-Fi is bad.
Is it bad? How about now?
It's good now, but it keeps breaking up.
No, I just don't like this. This reminds me of Sweden. Huh? I like it. It's nice.
Someone said she's in a bus. I can help you get in a car.
I don't need a car. Hey, good morning. I'm home. How about now?
It's the background noise. I don't like it.
I don't care.
I don't like
I'm
you.
not gonna leave and come back. That's too
You're
much
so
work.
thirsty. I know you want to have safety. Yeah, I know you feel uncomfortable. But who's in there with you?
Some habitat.
No, there is not.
Una.
Let me see.
Una.
I didn't even see it. Yayo said Delina on a bus broke guys.
Ooh.